What if you could push a single button that generates $1,000 commissions on complete autopilot? No blogging, no content creation, no video creation, no list building, no creating products, no experience or tech skills required, and absolutely no paid traffic. Just a single button that spits out big ticket commissions upwards of $1,000 every single time. Well, that's exactly what you're going to get with Big Ticket Commissions, a revolutionary cloud-based app that creates high-ticket automated money pages and even drives 100% free traffic on complete autopilot. Big Ticket Commissions start straight out of the box, and within a few minutes, you'll be generating your first $1,000 sale with this never-before-seen high-ticket automated commission system. Everything is 100% done for you, and if you can follow these 3 simple steps, you've qualified for success with Big Ticket Commissions. Step 1, insert your affiliate link. Step 2, activate the free traffic. Step 3, sit back and watch the sales roll in. Yes, it really is that easy. We've created Big Ticket Commissions so that you can start cashing in starting right now. You see, for most people, affiliate marketing is a very easy way to make a very tiny amount of money. If you do what the experts have been preaching for years, you start by building a list, which takes time and money. Then you learn email marketing, more time and money. Finally, you promote low ticket products because they're supposed to be easier to sell. Optimistically, it'll take about 2 months and at least $1,000 to build a decent list. Throw in some email marketing training basics, and you're looking at 10 to 12 weeks before you're making any commissions at all. If you can wait that long and can't afford the upfront cash, there's a much bigger problem. Competition, because 99% of other affiliate marketers have followed the same old expert advice, are promoting the exact same low price products. So you're competing with thousands of others for the same commissions, including advanced marketers with massive lists and slick video review sites. Still think affiliate marketing is easy? Not so much. Hey, this is Glenn Kosky, and for years I fell into the same affiliate trap as most other marketers. Maybe it's because I'm stubborn or didn't have any other options, but somehow I managed to eventually build up to a 6-figure yearly affiliate income. It wasn't easy and it took way longer than I thought. Problem is, to maintain that income, I worked harder and longer than I ever did a regular job. So a few months ago, I started checking out some underground affiliate forums and found people making up to 50 times more per sale than I was. Instead of the standard $10 to $20 commissions I was bringing in, these people were making $500 to $1,000 per sale. Obviously, I thought this must be way harder. Expensive products are harder to sell, right? Actually, it's the opposite. Premium digital products usually sell themselves because the creators use professional sales copy, demo videos, and proven marketing materials that turn viewers into buyers. There's barely any competition because very few marketers promote high ticket offers, and the products attract buyers ready and willing to pay for them. Seeing the results of some high ticket affiliates, I ran some test campaigns to premium offers. Within 2 weeks of promoting just one high priced product, I made way more than I had made in my previous 2 months of regular promotions. There was a learning curve. To make this work, I needed to build 2 very specific marketing pages and find a reliable traffic source to get targeted prospects to buy. But after I'd figured that out, Big Ticket Commissions came in like clockwork. And at the same time, I was building my list with qualified buyer leads, the holy grail for any affiliate marketer. All this happened without sending emails, without spamming social media, and without competing with 99% of other affiliate marketers. This brand new method works so well that I hired a developer to create a software to automate the whole thing, then bundled the software with an automated non-stop traffic system and had beta testers of all backgrounds put it through its paces. Their results were off the hook. Just like me, these people started making 2 to 3 times higher commissions in 1/10 of the time, while building their lists from 100% automated free traffic. Welcome to Big Ticket Commissions. This is affiliate marketing like you've never seen it before because it's never been done like this before. Start from scratch without a list and zero budget and bank $1,000 plus commissions in as little as 24 hours from now. Big claim, so on the page below you'll see proof of results, but for now let's break down what makes this system so powerful. Today's online consumers aren't buying entry-level digital products like they were 5 years ago because most of this basic information can be found for free on YouTube. What motivated people want and are lining to pay up for are complete end-to-end solutions, premium products that solve real problems. When you promote a premium product, you take home big commissions. So Big Ticket Commissions starts by pre-approving you for a high-end evergreen offers with proven conversions that make you $1,000 in commissions for every single sale. Then the cloud-based automated software builds you 2 key money pages that convert visitors into leads and profits. Just customize these pages with your autoresponder info and affiliate link. Use the included automated traffic methods to send visitors to your done for you lead pages, where you'll be offering a free lead magnet from our huge library of products to entice people to opt in, and then automatically start building your list whilst making game-changing high-ticket affiliate commissions. Don't worry about your age, background, or technical skills. If you've got a working set of eyeballs and a heartbeat, you qualify for success with Big Ticket Commissions. Setup from start to finish takes less than 30 minutes. Keep the traffic flowing in less than 15 minutes per day. Do this part-time just a couple of times per week, or scale up by sending more traffic and adding in different high-ticket offers when you're ready. You can literally make 3 to 4 figures before lunchtime using this, without a list, writing emails, creating products, dealing with customer support, making videos, blogging, or even doing any selling yourself, because it's all done for you. What's really cool is at the same time you're making high ticket commissions. You're building a buyer list that you can promote to at any time you want for long-term profits. It's the ultimate make money now, make even more money later system. Scroll below this video to see full details and a demo of the system in action. Check out the proof of results and testimonials from beta testers that love how easy and profitable this is. Then hurry to claim your copy for a highly discounted one-time price that's only available during this short launch, in addition to the extremely low time one-time price. When you act right now, you'll also take home multiple hand-picked bonuses for even better results. That's right, to make this a complete no-brainer, we've decided to throw in over 80 hand-picked bonuses from our training vault, worth thousands of dollars, including a variety of traffic apps and emergency cash methods, which are going to help you succeed as we enter the latest recession. You'll see these in the members area when you log in. Let's face it, you've seen enough so-called expert affiliate methods that make crazy claims and don't back them up. I've fallen for more than my share of these, so to make this a painless decision, try out Big Ticket Commissions on my dime, completely risk-free. Pick this up by clicking the button below and use the software and system for the next 30 days risk-free. Start banking hands-free Big Ticket Commissions whilst building your list using completely automated traffic strategies and the included step-by-step training. And if for any reason you're not blown away, just let me know and I'll refund 100% of your tiny purchase price. We urge you to grab your copy of Big Ticket Commissions before the price jumps to $97 per month after the initial launch period. Changes to online buyer behavior and competition mean old school affiliate marketing is dead. Big Ticket Commissions is the evolution of profitable affiliate marketing for higher commissions today and long-term profits tomorrow. The price of Big Ticket Commissions is increasing every 30 minutes, so if you want to get in at the lowest price you'll ever see, please click the buy button right now to secure your VIP access right now. Everything you need is inside. Check below for full details, then hurry to lock in your access at this exclusive discount so we can work together to grow your list and your bank account. Whatever you decide, I would like to thank you for watching this brief presentation and have a great day, and hopefully I will see you inside the members area to collect your first $1,000 commission.
Don't forget to like the video. And don't forget to subscribe.